Today, we're diving into the BMW Fault Code P1780, which is linked to torque reduction. If you've seen this code pop up, don't worry. I'll walk you through what it means and how to fix it. First, P1780 is a communication-related code that refers to the torque management system. Essentially, your BMW uses something called the CAN bus system to communicate between the engine, transmission, and other components. When there's a problem with torque reduction communication, this code is triggered. So, what are the common causes? It could be anything from a simple wiring issue, a faulty sensor, or even software problems in the vehicle's ECU. Now, how do we fix it? Start by checking the basics. Inspect the wiring around the engine and transmission for damage. If the wires seem fine, you'll want to scan the vehicle with an OBD2 tool to confirm the code and check for any related issues. Sometimes the problem could lie with the throttle body or the transmission control module. In many cases, resetting the ECU and updating the software might clear the issue. However, if the code persists, replacing the faulty component, like a sensor or control module, may be necessary. Lastly, it's always a good idea to consult with a professional if the issue isn't easily resolved. Proper diagnosis can save you time and money in the long run. And that's a quick look at BMW's P1780 code. Hopefully, this helped you understand the issue and take steps toward a solution. Thanks for watching, and drive safe.